All right, mark it open. Let me turn my music down. Bro, my freaking yogurt looks like weird as shit, bro. I don't even know if this is like good to eat, bro. So we're kind of sandwiched right now. I'm low key lagging, I think. So we're kind of sandwiched in between two liquidity draws, bro. I'd rather we go down and then up in this scenario just because we got all this LR built up. Um, like right here. And then they get like a sweep, candle closure, V-shape recovery out of it. That would be super ideal, but usually it's not that easy. Yeah, so we're stuck in this range right now. We do need a breakout. Get a little high time frame AMD setup going. Consequent encroachment of this fair value gap right here would be a good. We are sitting in a 4 hour. We're honestly setting up to be very bullish. There's this 4 hour OB I would like to see hit as well. Oops. I'm like lagging or something. Is there a daily fair value gap? No, there's a complete fail. I doubt it leaves a fair value gap. There's a BPR gap right here as well. I didn't know we had a freaking um I didn't know we inverse this daily on the bearish side. Well, I guess it's not a BPR. That was out yesterday and shit. Oops. We did hit a first presented 15 on this leg right here that I didn't notice. And we technically did sweep London low. I don't think they're gonna make it that easy though. It's super freaking choppy right now though. Looks nasty. I mean, we are sitting in between 2 15 minutes and two liquidity draws. Oops, that's not even the first. Dude, it's gonna be a freaking chop fest, bro. We will break out of this range and then we will make a move, I think. I believe we have news as well. Oh, we had news at 7:30. So we got data low down here. We should flush to the downside. We have too many draws to the downside, I believe. There's no entry though. We're making pretty much equal highs up here, which I like to see. Like, I don't know why my yogurt look like this though. It does not look like yogurt. Like, is this edible, gang? Bro, if I have to ask that, should I even eat it, bro? You know what I'm saying? Like, if I gotta ask if it's edible, should I even eat it though? Fuck, it's like dripping and shit. What is the due date on this shit? 20th of February. So I guess it's still good. If I trust him though. Alright, now that I'm mixing it around, it kind of looks a little better, I guess. My ooh, ooh. Okay, it does look better now that I'm like stirring it up a bit. Alright, this is a big liquidity pool. I do want to see it go a little bit lower before we go up. Okay, now this is starting to look like normal. This actually looks normal now. I see. This is the life of a real day trader, bro. You just fucking around while the market is dumping. Yep. Now it don't taste too bad. Are they gonna make it this easy? Mm-mm. I don't think so. I can't. I have to fade it. I have to fade it. I don't love it. I don't love it. We have relative equals at the downside right here. And we have 50-minute equals. This 50-minute equals is actually interesting. Got a lot of draws to the downside here. You might have to short right here. Or even logged in. Fuck. not the worst. It's kind of a forced trade, but the draw and liquidity is literally right there. But it is hard to get behind that one for sure. We could have took that one. I think it's gonna play out. It is playing out right now. 15-minute equals. This is a huge bounce area. We have Asia low right below. I'd like to see that get hit for sure. Okay, it does get hit. Does get tagged. Singing this big four. I don't think we flush all the way down. There's just not that much draws, I think, right now. So hit consequent encroachment of this 4 hour. We could hit this 1 hour. Huh, definitely could have taken that trade, bro. This would be a juicy long. If we had a closure past this Asia low, I think the RR would be there. Please leave my. We're in longs here. Looks like a really good setup. We just gotta push past this 30-second for value gap. Which I think we should. We'll go break even at the swing highs. Yeah, check if there's any other fair value gaps. So that's our break even right here. We gotta get out of this chop. We do need to flip this 30-second pretty bad. I don't think we go down any lower than this. Oof. Alright, we're getting stopped out. Yeah, I didn't like that chop. It might have just took our stop and it's gonna run now. There we go. I don't know. I might just have to wait. It's not obvious, I think. Hmm. I think the problem is that this is already all mitigated. Like these for value gaps is already all mitigated. I mean, that was a big liquidity pool, so I can understand getting behind that one, but it looks like they're gonna go lower. Like there's an SMT. I think we probably should have been logging on ES, but all right, there is no SMT. They both took it out. Our ES went all the way up there. Holy shit! Wait, what is going on? Why does it look like that? Oh, there was an SMT at the open. And then there's an SMT right here. So there's an SMT. So I guess it was a validated A plus setup with the SMT as well. Um, wasn't exactly the type of speed I wanted to see. So we did hit this 15. Oh man, we might have to take a stab at this. Yep, exactly. We're break even. Check it. There's a 1 minute OB. We got to change in the state as well. Our break even. We got a risk free trade. Is there a 5 minute? There is a 5 minute. Nice revenge trade, bro. Should we move it to consequent encroachment of this free value gap? Or just keep it at the OB? Do I think it could reverse here? I think the 15-minute unmitigated free value gap trumps over this 5-minute free value gap. But who knows? The STP1 smacked. Look at that freaking downward candle after hitting that OB right there. That's why that's my TP1. We're making this one stop. Can't even. I hate how it does that. My ooh. All right, we're gonna get a 5-minute inverse right here. I might add another contract. I would like to see we confirm this one. Okay, I got logged out, but we're so back. This thing is flushing. I was gonna enter again, but then I got logged out. But yeah. It's lucky too late to enter again. I think. We're trailing our stop into profits. I don't think we go under this 5-minute IFEG. I think this 5-minute IFEG would be technically a breakaway PDRA. But this fat ass freaking 5-minute right inside of it. We hope it's a breakaway. We are under the CE as well, so. Easy. Oh, fuck. I forgot I got this good old Greek yogurt. Mix it with some strawberries. London right above, pretty much right above. 90 more points from my TP. I think I really like this relative buy size, my TP, though. I could just move it up and then trail if it does end up flushing right past it. I do think there's other trade opportunities right here though. Like if it takes out this high and comes back down, trades into this 15-minute breaker block, that would be insane. I think it looks cleaner. No, it doesn't exist on the 30-minute. So I didn't even see that we're in this 30-minute. I usually don't use the 30-minute, but yeah. If we take out this high, hit my TP, and then come back down and trade into this 15-minute breaker block, there'd be another trading opportunity there. Super close to hitting TP here. In 5 seconds here, I think that should give us another some more juice in this 15-minute, this new 15-minute candle here. Just swinging a 5-minute as well. We don't quite get a 5-minute change in this state, but we do get a 5-minute V shape. That was sour as hell. What the hell? This is that 2-minute for rag out. And then 3-minute for rag out. That might give us enough juice. I think that will give us enough juice. Hold on. I think it's SMT. It is a big SMT. Yeah, it is a pretty big SMT. Do I think it holds? Probably not. We have 7,000 right above. I think they protect that 7,000. Where is all-time highs? So I don't think this SMT will hold today. We did fail to make this new high. Right here. Right there. So we could come lower. Unless it's about to just make a new high right now. Freaking chopping because of this SMT, bro. Should have taken it on ES. It was the same setup there. No, it wasn't. Because he took a 30-second. That's just why I like freaking NQ more. This freaking 30-second, bro. I wonder what we hit on ES. Oh no, it was just that big ass SMT. So the SMT. Oh, we did have a money sweep on NQ. So we had a SMT right there. Double SMT. Double SMT 15-minute fair value gap. That one was already mitigated. It must have been this one. At 9:30. Yeah. PD array SMT. SMT at the lows. Money sweep at the lows. But yeah, I do think this high time frame SMT will trump all these. Plus, we did inverse this 15-minute fair value gap right here. We just have to make a new high, push past it, flush past this new high. Which, there it is, right there. And we're all out. We are all out right there. Bang! Bang! Oh. Done for the day. Done for the day. W's in the chat. W's in the chat. Type 1 if you took that trade. Type 1 if you took that trade.